This is the Keyestudio upgraded 4WD BT multi-purpose smart car. Whether you're a beginner in the world of Arduino or an experienced maker, this robotic car kit is your gateway to endless possibilities. The Keyestudio upgraded 4WD BT multi-purpose smart car includes ultrasonic sensor for obstacle avoidance, line tracking modules, high-quality motors and wheels, motor driver board, LED display for facial expressions, Bluetooth module for smartphone control, comprehensive set of screws and copper pillars for easy assembly. No soldering required. The kit is designed with beginners in mind, using simple screw and copper pillar connections. Detailed instructions guide you through every step of the assembly process, ensuring that anyone, regardless of skill level, can build this smart car. The Keyestudio 4WD smart car boasts numerous functions, including obstacle avoidance. Navigate through any environment with ease, avoiding obstacles accurately. Remote control. Control your robot using an IR remote, adding an extra layer of interactivity. Bluetooth control. Use your smartphone to drive the car, compatible with iOS and Android devices. Gravity control. Experience innovative control methods by tilting your phone to guide the car. With its motor driver expansion board, the Keyestudio 4WD smart car allows for the addition of various sensors and modules. This means you can continuously expand and customize your projects as you advance your knowledge. This kit isn't just about building a robot, it's about learning through doing. With 17 different projects included, you can start with basic projects like LED blinking in progress to advanced tasks like ultrasonic obstacle avoidance and Bluetooth control. Each project comes with step-by-step instructions, helping you understand the underlying principles of electronics and programming. Keyestudio is renowned for creating high-quality, educational DIY kits that inspire creativity and innovation. This 4WD BT multi-purpose smart car V2.0 is no exception. It's crafted with precision and designed to provide a comprehensive learning experience that's both fun and educational. The Keyestudio upgraded 4WD BT multi-purpose smart car is available now. Whether you want to enhance your programming skills, understand robotics, or simply enjoy building and customizing your own robot, this kit has everything you need. Visit Keyestudio or your favorite electronics retailer to get your hands on this amazing kit. Don't miss the chance to explore the fascinating world of robotics with Keyestudio.